How to make money with AI in 2026. In this video, I will show you 10 realistic ways to make money with AI in 2026, even if you're a complete beginner. Method 1. Start a YouTube channel. Use AI tools to generate video ideas, write scripts, generate images, and edit videos. Once your channel grows, you can earn through adverts, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Method 2. Offer AI content writing services. Businesses constantly need blog posts, website content, and social media captions. You can use AI to sketch and then improve them before delivering to clients. Many businesses are willing to pay for quality content. Method 3. Create thumbnails and graphics. Many content creators need attractive thumbnails and social media graphics. You can combine AI-generated images with tools like Canva to create professional designs and sell your services. Method 4. AI voiceover services. Some creators and businesses need narration but don't want to record their own voice. AI voice tools can help you create voiceovers for YouTube videos, advertisements, and educational content. Method 5. Social media management. AI can help you generate post ideas, write captions, create graphics, and plan content calendars. You can manage social media accounts for local businesses and charge monthly fees. Method 6. Sell AI-generated designs. AI can help create artwork and designs for products like clothes, posters, and stickers. Always check the usage rights of the AI tool you're using and ensure your designs comply with marketplace rules. Method 7. Build simple websites. AI can help you write website content, create graphics, and speed up website creation. Many small businesses need simple websites and are willing to pay someone to set them up. Method 8. Create digital products. You can create ebooks, templates, workbooks. AI can help with research, outlining, and drafting, while you add expertise and polish. Method 9. Online courses and tutorials. If you're knowledgeable about a topic, AI can help you structure lessons, create presentations, write outlines, and generate practice materials. You can then sell courses or offer coaching. Method 10. Freelancing with AI. The fastest path for many beginners is freelancing. Offer services such as content writing, graphic design, video editing, website creation, and social media management. AI helps you complete projects faster, which can increase your earning potential. If this video helped you understand how to make money with AI, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and online business videos.